them ready to go.
Man. You say man. You say man.
Say morning, Faves. What you doing?
I'm picking up the dishwasher.
Yeah, you're doing the forks. Look at him. And Babe actually just finished doing the dishes.
I'm doing the fork and the spoon and the knife.
Very good, baby. Bravo, Mama. Proud of you. And while he's doing that, Babe did the dishes, and now I am making breakfast. I'm making porridge this morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. How are you guys doing? Yeah, Babe has been having a terrible migraine for the past few days, and he's not shaking it. So he's outside right now taking some fresh air.
This is small, and this is big.
Right. No, that's small. See, you make a mistake. You put a knife where the spoon is. Remove the knife from the spoon. Look on the big spoon. You put a knife on the big spoon. Where the big spoon? Show Mama where the big spoon. Look. This knife. Remove it and put it over there. No, this one. Look. Knife. Where does knife go?
Yeah.
Right. Don't lean on it, remember. So I'm making the oats porridge. One, because Tyler has been asking for porridge, and two, I just feel for it. And Babe says yes to porridge. Yes to porridge this morning. So you almost finished. It is also still raining outside. Still raining. So we're having a rainy weekend. I wanted to go to church today, but we didn't make it, unfortunately. But I shall resume church soon. As it's been a minute, it's been a while, because we've been so busy with our weekends, with moving and traveling and all those things, but we shall get back around to that soon. Anyway, you guys, as you guys can see, we still have morning face, because we just roll out and just jump in the kitchen, everybody pulling hands together and stuff. So hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys are doing well and not having a headache like Babe. But for the most part, we are blessed, and we're thankful, and we're alive, and we're doing good. And we're just going to get a bunch of stuff doing around the house today. It's raining, so we're not going out. So it's an in kind of day for us today. So we're just gonna take the day and get some stuff done. So have a good day, you guys. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and let nothing and no one stop you from enjoying your day. Stay away from negative people as usual. You're looking for your shoes? Look in Mama room if you see it. Let nobody stop you from have a blessed day and have a good day. Stay away from negative people. Love you guys. Good. And let nobody tell you that you can't do something that you really want to do. Step out your comfort zone. Do something you don't usually do. Do whatever makes you happy and just enjoy life to the fullest. Even if it means staying in your house and do nothing. Then, if that's what makes you happy, then do it, girl. Right, and it will stop you like that. Go on, let it go now. Go on. Look in front of you at all times. Go
Hard.
hard. No. Harder. Hard.
Good job.
Look in front of you at all times.
Oui, parce que c'est toi qui as appuyé. Allez, continue. Allez. 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 Continue. Regarde devant toi. Non, t'as pas. Allez. Allez, continue. Allez. Allez, Tyler. That's your first bike. Allez, c'est bien. At least you know the direction. Allez. Oui. Oui. Allez. Allez, tourne. Ah, toujours aller les pieds. Ah. Allez, papa il va t'aider là, d'accord?
We changed time last night and it's now after 5 and your girl's gonna have dinner because we are hungry. We 1 hour less, so now it would have been after 6, so now it's after 5 and it's getting dark outside. So I am making dinner. I feel very Jamaican with dinner tonight. So of course I made rice and peas and my chicken is in the oven. Well, you guys can't see it because it's finished. I'm just making it brown a little bit more. 5 minutes and it shall be ready. And Tyler is hungry. Hungry?
Yes.
Alright, go sit in your chair. Dinner is coming, okay?
Okay.
shout out. Notification shout out goes to
Notification shout out goes to
Alicia Bentley.
Elisa Ben.
Say hi, Lisa.
Hi, Lisa.
And
And
Shan and DJ.
Son and DJ.
Say hi, Shan. Hi, DJ.
Hi, Son. Hi, DJ.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Alright, say night night.
Very nice.
See you guys.
Dear,
Mama.
on the book.
Okay, you want a book before bed?
Yes.
Which book do you want? Let's do Good Night Moon, or let's do this one, the Going to Bed book. Okay?
I don't
Which one you want? Oh, you want the same book you read. I'm trying to convince him to read one English book, but he's not having it.
Which one I want this.
Oh, you want the Cat in the Hat?
Yeah.
All right.
Good choice.
Let's do the Cat in the Hat. Right?
Right.
The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house
Raining.
all that cold, cold, wet day. Yes, it's raining. Down the bottom. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two. And I said, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house, we did nothing at all. So all we could do was to sit. And we did not like it, not one little bit. Bump. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked, and we saw him, the Cat in the Hat. And he said to us, why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. I know some good games we could play, said the cats. I know some new tricks, said the Cat in the Hat. A lot of good tricks, I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day.
What's up?
It's the end of the day, you guys.
Do it
and
again, this
Pumpkin
look.
is off to bed. What look? He's been doing that all day, coughing like that. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end the vlog and give you guys the Jamaican and the French expression of today. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican expression real quick. High seat kill Miss Thomas Puss. High seat kill Miss Thomas Puss. Simple means, if you're successful, don't show off on others because you might just meet your downfall.
I
Seat
kill
Miss Thomas Puss.
Mr. Maspus.
Yes.
I said kill Mr. Maspus.
Yes. Miss as in mademoiselle.
Okay.
Thomas as in Thomas.
Okay, I believe
Puss as in...
Mr.
No.
Mr. Miss Thomas
Puss
Puss.
as in cat.
Miss Thomas Puss.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Thomas Puss.
Okay.
Like high seat kill Melissa cat. That sounds right.
No. Cut it. Melissa cat.
Let's go back to what it was. High seed kill Miss Thomas Puss. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
You understand what it means?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the French expression?
Haut la main.
Haut la main?
Haut la main.
Okay.
Haut la main mean easy. Like you get some things, you pass an exam, haut la main, you won a race, haut la main, you won it easily.
Oh la ma.
Haut la main.
Doing easy, easy, easy. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
And if it's your first time to our channel, please guys subscribe and turn on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss a vlog. Catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys.